Hello everybody. Now today, welcome back to Yeeps Hide and Seek. Today we will be checking out boat battles. Let's get right into it. Now, boat battles is an arena where two boats are fighting each other and launch cannons at the other boat. There's also many secrets to be found, like the buckcoin chest and cotton. Oh, I'm trapped. You can also fall down. Where you have access to even more cannons. Yes. Also, boat battles is a hangout only area. So that means no pins and no hide and seek. And look at all of this. This beautiful, delicious water. Some of the buckcoin stashes I have found on boat battles. I haven't found all of them, but comment down below if I've missed any. Go into the shipwreck. You go in here. Right here, there's going to be a clam and there's going to be a buckcoin stash on top of his head. Up here on the blue ship, if you head in here, destroy the brittle box, you have a buckcoin stash right here. And that's the same with the red ship. But this time it being right here. I'm trapped again! I actually haven't got this one, but now I have. It's right on this guy's nose. And that buckcoin stash, if you just go in there, in this sandhill, right by the shipwreck, you'll be there. That's all the buckcoin stashes that I know of. If I have missed any, just tell me, because I probably have. Over here we have a tech web and a shop full of things. Oh, 3 hours. Definitely gonna be here for that. Cotton dispensers and these cannons. Boop. Wow. That is all the buckcoin stashes that I know of and everything in boat battles. If I have missed absolutely anything, feel free to comment down below and tell me. Now you know what to do. Like, subscribe, good day pass. Have a nice day. Thank you.